While raw AI model benchmarks have hit a performance plateau, major market investment is now flowing directly toward building embedded enterprise infrastructure. This shift follows the rapid convergence of model performance, the rise of specialized decisioning layers, and an urgent August 2nd compliance deadline in Europe. Organizations that continue to prioritize raw AI benchmark scores risk losing out to those integrating AI directly into their core operational workflows. This chart shows 4 top-tier frontier models released within 30 days this June. Evaluation data shows performance margins narrow to statistical noise. Because intelligence is flattening, competitive advantage has pivoted toward massive data center footprints and direct workflow integration. Model selection now centers on infrastructure factors, integration pathways, system reliability, and the quality of developer tooling. This move toward infrastructure has made the decisioning layer the new target for capital, specifically in regulated industries that bypass general chat interfaces. The infrastructure stack is evolving. Platforms like Taktile sit between raw model outputs and business decisions, turning AI probabilities into auditable, compliant actions. This framework is a primary requirement for institutional adoption, leading a major global investment bank to fund Taktile Series C. In healthcare, Assort Health reached unicorn status by integrating its AI agents natively into Epic and Athena, the 2 dominant electronic health record systems. This deep integration has produced specific results: a 5% lift in appointment volume, a 115% increase in labor capacity, and 20-fold revenue growth in 15 months. Zeta Global is applying this same logic to marketing, merging its intelligence engine with supply chain and inventory data to trigger campaigns based on real-time operational signals. The enterprise market is rewarding AI systems that trigger real-world auditable actions over those that simply generate insights. Even the entertainment sector is shifting toward a co-creation model through a financial partnership between a leading AI lab and independent studio A24. Researchers will embed directly on active productions to build AI storyboarding tools. Crucially, the lab does not take ownership of A24's content or internal data. This arrangement provides a template for how labs can acquire high-quality human feedback for video models without displacing creative control. Outside of industry deals, a major regulatory deadline is 5 weeks away. On August 2nd, Article 50 of the EU AI Act becomes fully enforceable. This timeline shows the split requirements. Any AI-generated media or public interest text directed at European audiences must carry a visible, machine-readable label by early August. While full compliance for high-risk systems is delayed until 2027, the infrastructure for labeling and disclosure must be deployed immediately to avoid regulatory penalties. The data from June 2026 suggests a clear directive. Executives must shift their focus from model benchmark scores to workflow integration and auditable decisioning platforms. Practically, teams must verify that their machine-readable labeling systems are active now. The European transparency clock expires in 5 weeks.